Welcome back to Tap Tech. This is the channel where we explore the latest devices, dive into their upgrades, and share clear insights that help you decide if a product is worth it. If you want to stay ahead in the tech world, you're in the right place. The MacBook Pro has always been Apple's ultimate laptop, and with the arrival of the MacBook Pro M5, things are about to get even more interesting. This new generation is not just a small update, it's a major step forward. Apple is taking everything that worked in the M3 and M4 versions and pushing it further with the M5 chip, new displays, and improved design. For creative professionals, developers, and even everyday users who want the very best, this could be the laptop that changes the game once again. So let's talk about the release date first, because that's what many people are waiting to know. Based on Apple's usual timeline, the MacBook Pro M5 is expected to be revealed in October 2025. Apple has been keeping a steady rhythm of fall events for their MacBook launches, and with the M5 chip now rolling out across other products, the timing lines up perfectly. That means we don't have long to wait before the official unveiling. Now, the biggest upgrade is of course the new Apple M5 chip. Apple's silicon journey has already shaken up the entire computer industry, and the M5 continues that story. Compared to the M4, this new chip delivers faster performance, better energy efficiency, and most importantly, much stronger AI and machine learning capabilities. Apple has been highlighting how its devices will handle on-device AI, and the MacBook Pro M5 is at the heart of this vision. This means tasks like video editing, software development, 3D modeling, or running advanced simulations will be faster and smoother than ever. But even for everyday use like browsing, multitasking, or managing huge files, the M5 chip will bring a level of responsiveness that makes everything feel instant. And unlike many Windows laptops that rely heavily on fans and external cooling, the MacBook Pro M5 is expected to keep all this power while staying cool and quiet. Another exciting change is in the display. Apple is rumored to bring OLED displays to the MacBook Pro for the very first time. This is huge. OLED technology means true blacks, more vibrant colors, and higher contrast than the mini LED panels we currently have. For creative professionals who depend on color accuracy, this upgrade is a dream. Imagine editing photos and videos on a screen that's closer than ever to what your eyes see in real life. The refresh rate will remain at 120 Hz with ProMotion, which keeps everything silky smooth, whether you're scrolling through text or editing complex video timelines. But the OLED display should also bring better battery efficiency, meaning longer run times between charges. Speaking of design, the MacBook Pro M5 will look familiar, but Apple is expected to make it slimmer and lighter without sacrificing performance. The current 14-inch and 16-inch sizes are likely to remain, but with smaller bezels and a slightly thinner profile. The build will still use recycled aluminum, but Apple may introduce new color options, similar to what they've done with other Macs recently. Durability and portability will both be priorities here. The keyboard and trackpad are already industry-leading, but Apple might refine the typing experience further with improved key stability and quieter performance. The trackpad, which is already one of the largest and most accurate on any laptop, may gain new haptic functions to better integrate with macOS features. Now, let's talk about the software side. The MacBook Pro M5 will ship with macOS Sequoia, Apple's latest version. This system is designed to fully take advantage of the M5 chip, especially with its new AI-powered tools. We can expect smarter system-wide search, improved multitasking, and better integration between Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Developers will also get more tools to build advanced applications that can harness the M5's new capabilities. Battery life has always been one of Apple's strongest advantages. With the M5 chip's improved efficiency and OLED displays, the MacBook Pro M5 could deliver up to 20 hours of battery life, depending on the workload. For people who travel or work on the go, this means a full day or even 2 days of work without needing to plug in. And when you do need to recharge, expect faster charging speeds with the updated Meg. Safe connector. Connectivity is another area getting a bump. Wi-Fi 7 is highly expected on the MacBook Pro M5, which means much faster wireless speeds, more reliable connections, and better performance when multiple devices are connected in the same area. Thunderbolt 5 ports could also make their debut, offering higher bandwidths for external displays, storage, and accessories. This will be especially useful for professionals running multi-monitor setups or working with huge external drives. Apple is also expected to upgrade the FaceTime camera, improving video quality for calls and meetings. Combined with better microphone arrays and speakers that already sound fantastic, the MacBook Pro M5 is set to be an even better device for remote work and content creation. Now, let's address pricing. The MacBook Pro M5 will not be cheap. The 14-inch model is likely to start around $1,999, while the 16-inch could begin at $2,499. OLED displays and the M5 chip add to the cost, but for professionals who need the best tools, these prices match what Apple usually charges for its Pro laptops. The value comes from how much work you can get done, and how long the device will remain fast and relevant. The real question is, who is this laptop for? If you're a student or casual user, the MacBook Air M5 will probably be enough. But if you're someone who edits video, works with music production, codes complex software, designs 3D models, or simply wants the most powerful MacBook available, the MacBook Pro M5 is designed for you. It's not just a computer, it's a workstation in a portable form. And this is exactly why the MacBook Pro M5 matters. Apple isn't just making a laptop, it's making a statement about the future of computing. By combining raw power, advanced AI features, long battery life, and beautiful OLED displays, the MacBook Pro M5 is positioning itself as the gold standard in the laptop market. Other companies are trying to compete, but Apple's tight control over hardware and software integration gives it a massive advantage. When you buy a MacBook Pro, you're not just buying specs, you're buying an experience that works seamlessly across all your Apple devices. And with the M5 chip, that experience is about to feel even more futuristic. So, should you wait for the MacBook Pro M5? If you already own an M1 or M2 model, you might still be satisfied for now. But if you're on an Intel Mac, or even an early Apple Silicon machine, the M5 upgrade will feel massive. The combination of power, efficiency, and display technology makes it one of the most compelling laptops Apple has ever released. We're only weeks away from the official reveal, and excitement is building fast. Whether you're a professional creator, a tech enthusiast, or someone who simply wants the best, the MacBook Pro M5 is shaping up to be worth the wait. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay tuned for more updates, reviews, and breakdowns of the latest tech. The MacBook Pro M5 is almost here, and we'll be covering it in full as soon as it launches.